Hello everyone, welcome to a new airdrop video. Must first of all join Eagle airdrop channel and scroll up all airdrop is here. Check all airdrop and check last airdrop. Then join this group, Team Magic Honest Eagle airdrop group. Okay, then click airdrop link, click start button and then complete all tasks. First of all, subscribe this channel and check this video description and join this telegram channel. Then click continue option, then submit details. Okay, then must follow NotSol Twitter page. I am already followed. Then I am submit my Twitter username. Okay, my Twitter username Jibon Bhai. Okay, I am pasting my username. Then submit your BNB Smart Chain BV20. My recommended use Trust Wallet or MetaMask. I am open my Trust Wallet account and then click BNB and then click receive option and copy this address. Okay, then go your telegram bot, NotSol airdrop bot. Okay, then paste here. Okay, my airdrop is complete successfully. Then click airdrop details. This is airdrop details. Okay, must read these details and then top refer leaderboard. Must top 20 refer will get $50. Okay, then click refer link and copy this link and share your friends. Okay, and enjoy this video. Of course, share your friends and earn extra your bonus. Must be share 5 refer 5 friends and you needed 5 refer must be. Okay, then go my YouTube channel Jivon of Gold's YouTube channel. Okay, my YouTube channel is find here. Then subscribe this channel and of course check all videos, then check community and check all airdrop details. Okay, must be join my Eagle airdrop channel and of course subscribe this channel and comment this video and like this video. Happy journey.